Hi, and welcome back to Science with Miss Wardell. Today we are talking about water again. We're on page 378. We're doing 378 and 379. Today we're talking about the three forms of water. So water is a kind of matter. It can exist as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. And when things are contrasted, you find out ways that they are different. So contrast means different. Draw two boxes around three things that are being contrasted. So keep that in mind here that there's water and it exists as a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Okay? Ice is a solid water. Icebergs are small chunks of ice in the oceans, and glaciers are huge blocks of ice. Some glaciers are as big as whole countries. So most of Earth's fresh water is ice. So yesterday we talked about it being frozen, right? Most of our fresh water is frozen. Ice melts to make liquid water, and liquid water is found in the oceans, rivers, streams, ponds, and even underground. Remember I said that they can even be underground in things called water tables? Yeah. When water exists as a gas, it's called water vapor. Water vapor is in the air we breathe. You cannot see the water vapor. Water can exist as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So three different things that we're talking about here. So think about this. We've got 1, 2, 3 different paragraphs. So in the first one, we're talking about ice. We're also talking about these 3 stages of water, right? We're also talking about the liquid form in paragraph 2, so liquid water. And then finally, in paragraph 3, we're talking about water vapor. Remember, this is the one you cannot see. Okay, over on page 379, here it talks about the states of water. Water vapor, this is air. Air is a mixture of gases, and one of these gases is water vapor. You can't see water vapor. The space between the clouds has water vapor in it. Liquid water. Liquid water fills the oceans, lakes, and streams. Clouds are made up of small droplets of liquid water, and fog, mist, and falling rain are also liquid water. Ice. This glacier is an example of ice, and Earth's solid water. Our glaciers cover land that is close to the North Pole and the South Pole, and they also cover some mountains. So on the bottom it says, where is the water? Where can you find water vapor in nature? Where can you find it? Well, it can be found in the air, right? So it says that the space between the clouds has water vapor in it. So water vapor can be found in the air. It can be found in the air. 2. Where can you find liquid water in nature? Where can you find it? I'm going to let you help with that one. And where can you find solid water? I'm going to let you find that one as well. If you get stuck, look up here on the chart, right? So where it's talking about liquid water, maybe look at the state of water and liquid up here. Where it's talking about solid water, maybe look over here. So I can't wait to see what you put, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.